Ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly, while others struggle? The secret lies not in the strength of their ambition, but in the power of their consistency. Let's consider the example of a marathon runner. They don't just wake up one day and run 26 miles. No, they train consistently, day in and day out, regardless of the weather, regardless of how they're feeling, regardless of the obstacles life throws at them. Each day they lace up their shoes and hit the pavement, pushing their limits a little further. This daily practice, this unyielding consistency, is what prepares them for the race. It's what gets them to the finish line. It's what turns their goal into a reality. And this isn't just true for marathon runners. Just like our marathon runner, anyone can achieve their goals with consistent practice and dedication. Still not convinced about the power of consistency? Let's look at some real-life examples. Take J.K. Rowling, for instance. She faced numerous rejections and hardships, yet she never stopped writing. She consistently penned down her thoughts every day, rain or shine. It was this constant perseverance that eventually gave birth to the magical world of Harry Potter, enchanting millions across the globe. Now let's shift our gaze to the basketball court, where Michael Jordan dominated the game. He wasn't born a legend, he was made one. How? By practicing his skills day in and day out, come what may. He didn't let failure deter him, instead he used it as fuel to consistently improve his game. These stories of success didn't unfold overnight. They're the result of countless hours, days and years of hard work, practice, and most importantly, consistency. As you can see, consistency is the key to achieving greatness. Now that you've seen the power of consistency, it's your turn to put it into practice. Let's start by identifying one habit you'd like to cultivate. It could be anything from reading a few pages of a book each day to going for a morning run. The key is to start small. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are habits. Once you've got your habit in mind, make a commitment to yourself to practice it consistently. The beauty of consistency is that it's not about the intensity, but the regularity. It's not about running a marathon on your first day, but about lacing up your shoes and stepping out of the door. If you keep this up, gradually increasing your efforts, those small steps will compound into significant changes. Remember, the secret to achieving your goals isn't some magic formula or talent, it's consistency. So start today and keep going. Your future self will thank you.